Are you seeing the way the thing is looking thicker? Sieving it. Hello guys, good day, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I am going to be treating my hair for hair growth. I am going to be working with two ingredients today. So the first thing, I need to add in water. This is just normal water. All right, so I am going to be working with two ingredients. The first one you are seeing here, this is clove. Clove works a lot in terms of hair booster. It helps to strengthen your hair for growth. So the next thing is going to be flaxseed. So this is flaxseed. I am going to be making flaxseed gel. Okay, this helps a lot to detangle your hair if your hair is freezing. Okay, so it helps to detangle your hair. It also helps to strengthen your hair for growth. Okay, so I am going to be working with these two ingredients. All right, so stay tuned. Let's dive into this video. I will leave it to cook for like 5 minutes. So I'll leave it to cook. Oh. Mm-hmm. So guys, it's ready. Are you seeing it? So you don't have to let it to be cool before sieving it. If not, you'll not be able to sieve it out with this siever. So it's better when it's still hot, better sieve it and leave it to cool down a bit before applying it on your hair. Are you seeing it? It's easy now to sieve. Are you seeing it? As soon as it cool, as soon as it cool down a bit, you see this thing will be slimy very well. You can't be able to sieve it. So guys, is enough. Are you seeing this one? And do you see how thick it looks? I normally add olive oil to it, so now it's getting thicker. So I am going to be adding in my hair growth oil. So I make this myself. In case if you don't have this hair growth oil, if coconut oil is good on your hair, you are free to add in coconut oil or olive oil. Okay, are you seeing it? I need to add more oil to it. So guys, this is it. It's time to apply it on my hair now. Come with me guys. So this is it.